right, and we are on here at the Caleb Korth residence. We are gonna do a Big Mac in 2 bites. He's gonna eat it.
Right now would be when the epic music would play. But all I have is Mittens to meow a little bit. That's all I got.
Mittens, Mittens, where are you?
Mittens!
Mittens. Oh, there she goes. Epic music. Mittens. Yeah, that's a good girl.
Sit. Look like a cat. Good job.
All right, we're ready. We're on. In 3, 1, 2. Look at him stuffing it in there. Stuff it, stuff it, stuff it, stuff more. Stuff it, get it. One bite, one bite, one bite, one. Oh my gosh. One bite. Get it in there. Holy mackerel. Oh my goodness. One bite. What? Huh? What? Huh? He can't do anything, ladies and gentlemen. Oh. Notice how he pushes the food out in order to chew it. And then he then brings it back in and he pushes out, and he does this 5 times. It's not human.
Look at me.
Wow. One bite. Well done. Man.
Wow.
I wish I could have done that. So, how do you feel?
A sense of accomplishment.
Yeah. Since the last time you did it, it was what? Two bites?
Yeah.
2 bites. Wow.
My hands are a little dirty. My parents would be proud.